Hey there, it's Lucas with Camo, and I'm here to talk about scenes, the foundation of the Camo Studio workflow. Now, if you're wondering what scenes are about, it might be helpful to think of them a bit like outfits. In the same way that what you choose to wear depends on where you're going or whom you're meeting, scenes are there to tailor how your video looks to its purpose and to your audience. And whether you're meeting a new client, recording a tutorial, or calling a loved one on a special occasion, you can use the power of scenes to make every video work harder for you. So if you're ready to move beyond a raw feed, you've come to the right place. Let me show you exactly what Camo Simple tools can do to help. The quickest way to get started is to use the default templates found on the right side of the Camo Studio interface. Now, as you scroll through them, you'll see watermark, meet and greet, blank, presentation, front and center, off camera, and anywhere studio, each with its own key shortcut. The simplest of these is, of course, the blank option, and if you select it, you'll simply see the raw video from your camera. But you can then easily improve and enhance it using the Camo tools under the Video tab on the left. Once I right-click on it, duplicate it, and give it a working title, I can get to work. I'll add some adjustable background to focusing with portrait mode. That's always a good place to begin. And then I'll do a quick correction to the white balance and an adjustment to my framing. And then finally, to keep things organized, I will right-click my new scene, rename it, perhaps assign it to a collection, and update the thumbnail so I can recognize it at a glance. That's what I'd call a scene at its most basic. But if you take a look at the other default options, you'll get a stronger sense of what scenes are really capable of. Selecting Meet and Greet automatically triggers a number of Camo features. It adds depth with portrait mode, brightens me up with a bit of spotlight, and turns on auto framing with zoom so I can be free to move a bit without worrying about staying centered in the frame. It also adds some graphic overlays, in this case, a set of professional details above my shoulder. A really nice feature if you're doing something like meeting a potential client. You'll notice that the white balance is already corrected. Any image adjustments you make, things like white balance, exposure, saturation, well, those are assigned to your camera and applied across all of your scenes whenever you're using that device. Now, back to the overlay details. As you can see, I've customized the ones that are in my meet and greet, something that's easy to do with the Personalize tool that's just a click away from the main interface. Using it, I can change any of the information that shows up in the different default variables and easily add my own fields. Some final tweaks to the image using the tools in the Video tab, and I have a scene that works great for anything from panel discussions to speed dating. I can change it further by clicking on the Layers tab on the right, or simply by right-clicking and selecting Modify. Now you can use the same process to customize any of the default scenes you see in the main gallery. But the options don't stop there. Just a click away, you'll find an expanded gallery experience with more templates to explore and discover. Scenes for streaming and professional cases, scenes designed for repping your socials, and even for perfecting your framing or alignment. These are there for you to use as is or to take as a starting point for your own designs. If you see one you like, just click on the download icon to add it to your scenes gallery, where it will be ready to select at a glance. The great thing is that once you've created and perfected any scene, it's there to use and elaborate on whenever you like. And as you've already seen, Camo makes organizing them easy. Right-clicking on any scene helps you place it in any existing collection or begin a new one. And in your new collection gallery, you can easily just drag them into the order that they'll be needed. You can even change what the scene thumbnail looks like. Selecting Update Thumbnail after a right click gives you the option of capturing the scene preview showing in the center of the Camo interface. Whether you use scenes to store your presets or better tailor your video to a specific task, you'll find that they're a powerful tool for making amazing video. Use one for your next meeting, for your next post, for your next call home. Whenever you turn on your webcam or camera, I hope you're ready to make a scene. Bye for now.